The CM Business Directory allows you to create a listing of businesses. By combining the payments and community add-on, you can charge users for creating and managing said pages. In this video, we will cover how to charge users for suggesting and claiming businesses in your business directory. You must choose between either Easy Digital Downloads or WooCommerce. Don't forget to configure the payment plugin. This way, you can connect it to payment providers such as PayPal or credit card companies. First, set up the directory if you haven't done so. Navigate to Admin Dashboard, CM Business Directory, Settings. To add your first business, head to WordPress Admin Dashboard, CM Business Directory Pro, Add Business. You will be able to fill detailed information for your new business. Now allow users to suggest businesses. We'll also skim through this part to focus on payments. Navigate to Admin Dashboard, CM Business Directory, Settings, Community Business tab. Under Moderation Settings, choose the roles who can add businesses. Now that the directory is set up and users can suggest businesses, it's time to configure payments. Let's start by telling the plugin which payment platform we are using. Navigate to CM Business Directory Pro, Settings, Payments tab, Payment System Selection section. Only one system can be enabled at a time. In this example, it's WooCommerce. Now on to the most important settings of this video. Head to the Add New Business Payment section and check Require Payments for adding new businesses. We'll talk about the two other options in a moment. Now, let's create a new WooCommerce product or assign the purchase with an existing product. You can also charge users for claiming businesses. Turn on the option in Claim Business Payments section and then set the product like in the other payment settings. Users can claim existing business listings by going to the listing page and clicking Show by Claim This Business. They only need to add their name and valid email address to receive an email notification with instructions on how to pay for the listing. The rest of the process is the same as suggesting a business. User gets an email, pays, and gets another email with an activation link. Requiring users to pay for renewing businesses. If this feature is enabled, users must pay in order for the listing to remain visible to the public in the directory. This is also controlled by a separate product in WooCommerce to allow the payment. To mark existing items as paid, check box and save or click the button to set all current items as paid. The payments will be required only after renewal time passes. One huge difference are the time renewal and notification settings. You can choose after how many days the listing will expire, requiring the user to make a new payment. Also, you can enable a notification to remind the user about the upcoming expiration. In each of the options above, there are also options to customize the emails sent to businesses. They follow the same pattern with some changes. With payments, the user submission process is the same as in Community. But now, when users complete the business submission form, they will see a different message than usual. The message will mention payment. You can control what happens upon submission from the settings. Go to section Add New Business Payments. If enabled, users will be able to pay even before the admin moderates the submission. If enabled, the user will be redirected to checkout immediately after filling the form. Requires payment before moderation to be enabled. This optional field lets you add HTML to be shown in business pages with pending payment. The add-on offers a simple way to track every payment made. Navigate to the Admin Dashboard, CM Business Directory, Business Tokens. This screen will show a table with all recorded payments along with their attached information. Clicking on the code directs you to the token edit page where you can change its status manually. Also here, values like purchase ID, email, and types can be changed.